Audio CD 1, Track 58, Part C, Listening for It. Deanne tries to buy train tickets to Zhongli.
Could you tell me about getting to Zhongli?
When do you need to go? What's the departure date?
I'm not sure about the time, but the departure date is tomorrow.
Well, there's one leaving at 1:30. It's the cheapest we've got. It arrives at 2:37.
Do you have anything faster? I don't care about the price.
Our fastest train leaves at 10 o'clock in the morning and then 9:15. It only takes 40 minutes.
I think I'll spend the day in Taipei. I want to do some shopping and go to the Fine Arts Museum. What time does the last train leave?
Let me see. There's a regular train that leaves Taipei at 10:10 p.m. How many tickets do you need?
2. My mother will come too.